Good morning, friends. It is Running Kimono here, and we're talking about a curbside video for some Valentine's Day merchandise, stacking it with a booster. And curbside means you're ordering this through your cell phone, desktop, computer, that left-hand box with the red check, putting it through the app that way, driving to the store and picking it up. So these are the two boosters that we're looking at. 10 back when you spend 30 on Valentine's, valid from the 12th, 13th, and 14th, and our weekly booster, which is 7 back when you spend 40. These are both of a one-time use, and after you fulfill your order in store, you go to the store, and in about 2 hours, the Walgreens cash should post to your account. Now, with Valentine's Day, any of the Valentine's Day merch, look for this earn 10 when you spend 30 to ensure that it's the right Valentine's Day merch if you want to go off the menu. And coupon codes are right here, Heart15 or Heart20 for an extra 20% off of a $50 basket. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. That would be my Valentine if you can like this video. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Now, if you are the type of shopper that likes to be in store and you're like, I do not care for this electronic stuff, it's just way over my head, or it's just not for me. I made a video yesterday where I was walking through the store showing you the best deals this week in store over at Walgreens. Check out this video. I will link it at the very end for you. Okay, deal number 1. We need your two best friends loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 30 and a 7 back when you spend 40. Have both of these lovely boosters loaded for this deal. So, first item we're going to grab is a toilet paper for $5 and also the Colgate for $4. There's a method to this madness. I'll explain it in a second. We're also going to grab an optic white for another $4. Now we need some digital coupons for this that include the $1.25 IVC for Scott, the $1 for the Scott, it's a manufacturer, and then we have two $2 for each tube of toothpaste. The promotion of buy two, get $3 back for that Colgate, it's actually happening online as well. Valentine's Day merchandise we're going to grab is one of these large hearts for $10.39, and then we're going to get a bunch of Hallmark Valentines because we have a bunch of digital coupons to go with. So a nice assortment to get us to that $30 mark. If you want to give away a lot of cards. Now, the Hallmark coupons, if you just look below the card, there's a $4 off, a $5 off 2, and then another $2. So load all three if you haven't been loading them. Showing you the overall basket of coupons that are coming off. We have a $5 for Hallmark, Heart15 taking $5.67 off, Scott another $1 off, Hallmark another $1.25 IVC for the Scott toilet paper, $2 for Colgate, another $2 for Hallmark, and then another $2 for Colgate. That's a lot of coupons right there. Overall basket is $48.35, $5.96 with coupon code coming off, free curbside pickup, $2 in tax, oh my gosh, $16 in digital coupons melting off. So with your debit card, pay $28.45, and you're getting back $20. $17 for the two boosters, and then $3 back for Colgate. Makes this deal fantastic. And do not use any Walgreens cash as you're juggling two boosters. Pay with your debit card. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. So we just are going to get a smaller basket of just $30 of Valentine's Day merchandise. Just kind of, if you didn't get the booster, something different. Now, I had predicted that the Squishmallows were going to be part of it, and if you look below the doll, it says 10 back when you spend 30 on Valentine's Day items, so boom, there it is. So this is what you're looking for if you're like, I do not like anything you're picking out, Kimono. Just freestyle your own basket, but make sure the math is mathing. We're going to grab some of those Conversation Heart candies, one larger Squishmallow, and then 3 of the Hello Kitties. The overall total is $36.01 with the promotion code $5.40 off. Free curbside pickup, $1.72 in tax. You're going to pay $32.33 with your debit card and then get back $10. So, you're saving at least 10% and you get to use a coupon code. So it's more advantageous to do this as a curbside offer than doing it in store, just to point that out. The next deal that we're going to look at, this is the larger basket again. We're going to have our 2 best friends loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 30 and 7 back when you spend 40. Pick and choose wisely which dealio you wish to do as well, guys. So for this one, we're going to grab the Garnier shampoo, and as a curbside pickup, the spend 10 to get back 3 is in fact working as well. So 2 of the whole blends at $4 a pop, and then we're going to get 2 of the Fructis for $8. And like, how lovely is that? And then you're going to load the following digital coupons. That is the 3 off of 2 for the whole blends and the 3 off of 2 for the Fructis. So you are getting 4 bottles of shampoo in this transaction. Now, we're also going to throw in the Conversation Hearts and then the Squishmallow dolls, the larger one, and then the 3 Hello Kitties. I think for Squishimals, the most you can order curbside is, I think it's 3. Because people, I just guess, want a wall of it. They'll order all of them from the store. So just looking at the basket, guys, it's 5201. Now I use the larger coupon code of Hearts20, so $5.40 melting off right there. Free curbside pickup, tax, $6 in digitals coming off. Pay $43.29 with your debit card as you're using 2 boosters, and you're getting back 20. 17 for the 2 boosters, and the other 3 is for the Garnier Fructis. And everybody you know gets a Squishmallow for Valentine's Day. Okay, moving it along. The next basket, deal number 4. Again, you need your 2 best friends loaded. The 10 back when you spend 30 on Valentine's, and the 7 back when you spend 40 general booster basket. For this one, we're going to grab some Schick products. If you look down below, see how it says spend 20, get back 5? That's what you're looking for Schick. So we're going to try and find 20 bucks in Schick. So we're going to grab this guy for $11.49 and then a men's one for $11.99. So those 2 gets you well past that $20 mark. Now load the following digitals that include the $4 for the ladies and the $4 for the men's. Maybe your Valentine can get a very fancy razor with their card. We're also going to grab one of these beautiful Russell Stover's candies for $10.39, and they've dropped the price of most of these products in concert with the, spend 30, get back 10 on Valentine's Day merchandise. And then we're going back for more cards because we have some problems. So we need to get their basket right to 30, and I just grabbed all of that. Heart20, I don't know how I got it to work, but $7.98 off, and then all of the Hallmark coupons, and then the 2 Schick ones off. Yeah, because I'm way past that $50 mark. So $7.98 melting off, free curbside pickup, $19 in coupons coming off. Pay $34.40 with your debit card and get back $22.58. So nothing to sneeze at there. What a deal. Now, with this video, I know that like sometimes for these Valentine's Day gifts, especially if you're buying for your kids or a significant other or a new boyfriend or a new girlfriend, you might be wanting something really specific. So if you just type Valentine's Day into the search bar, everything that's part of the promotion, see how it says earn 10 back when you spend, it's like written under everything. You can go back and look for something very specific. Like just say you're like, look, I don't gift Russell Stover's, I only gift Lindt, or I only gift Mars, or I just want to give M&Ms for a special thing. If you want to substitute things, just by all means go for it. But I know that it's very, very specific. So maybe that's the easiest way in the app. Like if you are just displeased with what I picked, or if you're like, I don't want that much Hello Kitty, just go. There's so many different Squishmallows and you will find something absolutely terrific. Now, before I take off, I just wanted to send a quick little picture here of the Dollar General penny haul that I did on Sunday afternoon between 3 and 6. I visited a couple stores in the deep country, and I found about 60 items. Lots of this stuff I'm going to gift to family, and the penny list is so vast and big. I've made 2 videos, one on Friday and one on Saturday, and I'm just posting most of this stuff on Instagram. But guys, it is absolutely worth your time. The way that it's so hard to make stretch a dollar these days, when you can get a cart full of stuff for a penny, it's unheard of. So if you want to watch the videos of my hauls, because I show all the UPCs, how to walk through this, or if you've seen some of this stuff in your store, don't be shy to open up that Dollar General app and scan some barcodes, and you might be surprised what you find. And the more patient that you are with this, the more that you will find. If you just run into the store in a huff, go to the clearance section, and then run out, probably won't find anything. But if you start looking on end caps for a lot of these kids coloring books, definitely Aunt Rach was in that toy section, or like, where they have the little books, and then looking down below the bottom shelf, and that's where I found the majority of these. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.